You're getting on a plane and traveling far away. You left me with a pain, I carry it every day. Who do you think you are? Some kind of celebrity? Just wait and see. I never asked for much, only that you stay true. Need I remind you all the things I do for you? What can I say? I play the game all for now. I was wondering, can you hold me down?